Give me 59 seconds, then you, master of lips. Does your lips drawing look like this? Well, stop drawing lips like this, because in just 59 seconds, I'll show you how to fix it completely. Start with a light cross guideline, one vertical, one horizontal. Mark a small V shape for the Cupid's bow and soft curves for the bottom lip. These light guides will help you get perfect symmetry. Now shade gently around the corners and the center line, that's where the shadows live. Keep the middle of the bottom lip brighter, that's where light hits. Add a soft shadow just beneath the lips to make them pop off the page. Use a blending stump or tissue, light pressure, smooth direction. Then darken the center line again and add tiny vertical texture lines that curve with the lips. Finally, lift a bright highlight from the center of the bottom lip using an eraser. That small shine makes a big difference. If you learn something, hit like and tell me in the comments what I should draw next.